289. Right here. Oh. All right. Sophia, can you pick one for me? Pick a ticket. Thank you. Here we go. 809-337. 809-337.
All right.
Anyone? Oh, there we go. All right. 809-286. 809, back there. All right, we got our last raffle coming all the way over here to this little elf. Oops, sorry, Santa. Your elf took the last one. Thank you. 809-292. 809-292. All the way in the back. Okay, now at this time, Santa's going to sit, and if you guys want to come up and take your children's picture with Santa, bring your cameras. Thanks, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Thank you.